Yun, may mga maingay na bata. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Yun. Hingin ng mga anak ko, so please bear with me. Di, kalaya ko eh. Yan, so bago ako mag-upload, 405 lang yung subscribers ko ngayon, 435. So sa mga nauuto ko, yan, we have a new book. It's titled The Indio and the Impaler. Yan, di ba nagsabay pa sila? So I just saw this feed ko before the, ano yun mami, yung Manila Book Fair, and popped up on my feed. And I just realized na sobrang animated nung illustration. So if I'm not mistaken, this was illustrated by Takbo Tikbalang, or hindi ako sure, pero I think this is the animation here was, or the illustration was created by Takbo Tikbalang. It's an artist, a Filipino artist. Yan, may mga kasama siyang by Ian Santa Maria. So, yung Takbo Tikbalang is like a username, pero I think the name is Ian Santa Maria. So, straight up from the anime, ang ganda ng visuals ng book na to. And the plot itself, when I looked it up before buying, sobrang na-catch yung attention ko. From the Indio and the Impaler. And being a fan of the Castlevania, yan, Impaler, si Dracula, Tepes. Diba? Maybe, may postcards pang kasama. Sobrang angas. Sobrang angas. Dapat ganito na yung mga tipo ng mga sulatan ng mga writers ngayon. Kasi sobrang dami interested sa mga ganitong fiction. Ayan, si Jose Rizal. So, this is a fictionalized history. Kasi, ayan, si Rizal versus the Impaler. Diba? Sobrang angas ng cover. Sobrang ganda ng mga illustration. Sobrang ganda ng animation. Sobrang ganda ng, not animation, the illustration. Sobrang ganda ng drawing nila. Yan. So, this was, I bought this at the Indie Pop. Hindi ko alam kung binenta to sa Fully Book. Yan, meron pang, ano tawag dito, mami? Bookmark. Yan. The Indio and the Impaler by Wincy Aquino. Follow nyo siya, guys. So, hopefully, mabasa nyo to. Ayan. So, this is the plot. Dr. Jose Rizal thought exile meant peace and quiet until his prized student vanished and whispers began circling about a soiled merchant in a manse on the hill. Rizal follows the trail into a nightmare older than the colony itself. Now, the exiled revolutionary must confront an impossible horror. Elegant, ancient, and very, very hungry. The Indio and the Impaler is a blood-soaked collision of Gothic horror and Philippine history, where the greatest mind of the islands pits himself against the Prince of Darkness, Count Dracula. Yan, si Wincy Ong. Napakaangas. Sana maging movie to. I'll try to send this to direct Eric Mati. Wala lang. Kasi pinapansin niya ako sa social media. Wincy Aquino Ong is a writer, illustrator, musician, and podcaster. His works include the horror anthology Tales for a Rainy Season and the graphic novel Butiking Pasay. I saw it, yung Butiking Pasay. Cute naman siya, pero tingnan natin kung mababasa namin. He resides in Quezon City. So, yan, babasahin ko muna to. Medyo mahaba-haba din. I'll give a review, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a good one. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching. And salamat pa rin sa panonood. Kahit di na ako masyadong active. Bye guys!